My name is Soham. Today I am going to tell some answers on GK questions.
What does UPS stands for?
Uninterrupted power supply.
Name the 4 metropolitan cities of India.
Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata.
Name the birthplace of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Cuttack in Odisha.
What is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees Celsius.
Narendra Modi was the chief minister of which states?
Gujarat.
Which state has taken up Sanskrit as an official language?
Uttarakhand.
Name the first female Indian astronaut.
Kalpana Chawla.
Who was the first Indian to go to space?
Rakesh Sharma.
Who was India's longest survived prime minister?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Which is the smallest continent?
Australia.
Who invented the telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Which acid is found in lemon?
Citric acid.
What is the India's form of governance?
Democracy.
Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest?
Bachendri Pal.
Madhubani, a style of folk painting, is popular in which of the following states in India?
Bihar.
Australia lies between which two oceans?
Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean.
Name the 14th President of India.
Ramnath Kovind.
Which Indian woman was the first to win the Nobel Prize?
Mother Teresa.
Who was the inventor of the light bulb?
Thomas Edison.
Who is the Finance Minister of India?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
What is the national game of USA?
Baseball.
What is the full form of AM and PM?
Anti-Meridium and Prime Meridium.
Who wrote Panchatantra?
Vishnu Sharma.
Who was the first Indian to have won the Nobel Prize?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Name the region that has the oldest rocks.
Aravalli.
How many layers are there in Earth
5.
atmosphere? Name the biggest planet in our solar system.
Jupiter.
Which is the largest plateau in the world?
Tibetan Plateau.
Name the highest mountain peak of India.
Mount Kanchenjunga.
What is the order of the planets in the solar system?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Who invented the television?
John Logie Baird.
Where is the Ajanta cave situated?
Maharashtra.
What is the name of India and Pakistan's border?
Ratcliffe Line.
What is the ratio of width to the length of the national flag of India?
2:3.
Who is considered the founder of the Sikh religion?
Guru Nanak.
Who was known as the Indian Napoleon?
Samudragupta.
Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"?
Mahatma Gandhi.
What is the distance between Earth and Sun?
149.6 millions of kilometers.
Which is the largest country in the world based on the area?
Russia.
Which is the longest river in the world?
Nile.
Which is the largest bone in the human body?
Femur, also known as thigh bone.
Which is the first biosphere reserve in India?
Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve.
Which is the largest freshwater lake in India?
Uller Lake.
What is the full form of HTTP?
Hypertext Transfer Protocol.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Who discovered the theory of relativity?
Albert Einstein.
When the Hindi Divas celebrated?
14 November every year.
What is the script for Hindi language?
Devanagari.
Who was the most sought after social reformer after the end of Sati?
Rajaram Mohan Roy.
What is the percentage of water on the floor of our planet?
71%.
When is Earth Day celebrated?
22nd April every year.
Which is the longest and shortest river in India?
Brahmaputra and Tapi.
Who was the first female governor of an India state?
Sarojini Naidu.
Which planet is the coldest planet in our solar system?
Neptune.
Who was the first Muslim lady to rule the Delhi throne?
Razia Sultan.
Where will you find the largest museum of India?
Chennai.
Who invented computer?
Charles Babbage.
1024 kilobytes is equal to?
1 megabyte.
Brain of computer is?
CPU.
India lies in which continent?
Asia.
Which country are the Giza pyramids in?
Egypt.
What city is the Statue of Liberty in?
New York.
Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for?
Lion.
Who was George Washington?
George Washington was the first president of United States of America.
Who is the founder of Microsoft?
Bill Gates.
Who is the father of computer?
Charles Babbage.
What is full form of RAM in IT?
Random access memory.
Who is the fastest man in the world?
Usain Bolt.
Which city is also called as Pink City?
Jaipur.
What is full form of Wi-Fi?
Wireless fidelity.
Who is the king of Patliputra?
Samrat Ashok.
Sare Jahan Se Acha, who composed this song?
Muhammad Iqbal.
Who is known as Punjab Kesari?
Lajpat Rai.
What was the original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati?
Phul Shankar.
Who used to think Gandhiji as your political guru?
Gopal Krishna Gokhale.
Who is considered the father of sitar and tabla?
Amir Khusro.
Why are the leaves of a planet so important?
The leaves of the plants are so important because they prepare food for the plants through photosynthesis.
Who is the father of computer virus?
Delbruck.
What is the area code of India?
91.
During which year did World War I begin?
1914.
How many players are there in an ice hockey team?
6.
What is the another word for a lexicon?
Dictionary.
The title Punjab Kesari was conferred on
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Indian Constitution was amended for the first time in
1951.
Vidushaka. A common character in Sanskrit drama is
Brahmana.
who was the founder of yoga philosophy?
Patanjali.
What symbol represents nirvana of Gautama Buddha?
Bodhi tree.
Formula of oxalic acid.
C2H204.
Who discovered mobile?
Martin Cooper.
Chandigarh is famous for
Rose garden.
which country has the largest postal system in the world?
India.
Where was the Azad Hind Fauj established?
Singapore.
Who started the Sharda Sadan in Bombay?
Ramabai Saraswati.
Who is considered the father of sitar and tabla?
Amir Khusro.